Hi everyone, today's video is a trick that I learned a while back. I love doing it. It's a hand plant 180, and it's similar to a 180 jumping, but this time you're using your hand as like a kickstand to kind of like lift yourself up, turn around, and go back in 180. It's pretty fun. So I'll demonstrate it once. I gotta get a little speed. You gotta be able to at least pump to the coping, get up there first, and then I'll show you what I mean. So we're gonna do it.
All right. Ah.
So that's a 180 hand plant. Now to do that, I think first you might want to get used to doing just jumping and doing your 180s. That gets you used to lifting your feet up off the ground, doing your 180 and landing on the transition and coming back. And the hand plant's no different. You're just lifting your body up. It takes a little more core strength. So for good practice, what Jazz told me in the beginning was go up, and it's kind of like you know how you start doing your first bit of the ho-ho or the handstand where you lift yourself up, try to tuck your knees up to you. I'll demonstrate it right here. This kind of gets you into the habit of lifting your feet up where you can do that 180.
Oh.
Kind of lift your knees up to you. Like that. Lift your knees up to you, and that gets you to where your feet and your knees and everything come up off the ground so that you can turn your body. Now, you always want to be on the ramp staggered stance. And in this case, my natural staggered stance is left foot forward. Okay, but when I do my 180 hand plant, I'm turning to the left. And I'm reaching with my right hand. So as you can see, in this stance, I'm reaching across my body. And it's hard to reach the coping with your hand if you're crossing your body, for me anyway. So at the last second, as I'm going up the ramp, I switch stance so my hips are turned, my shoulders are turned, and I can reach a lot farther, okay? So that's how I kind of figured out how to do my hand plant 180. You might work for you. If you're going the other way, you want to switch and be staggered this way and reach with this arm. So that's pretty much it. It's starting to rain here, so I'll do one more.
Yeah, you got it. We're coming into the rainy season here in Florida, people. We gotta take what we can get.
Some speed.
Oh!
Yeah. I'll do it over here.
He's gonna do it over here.
Really fun.
Switching it up. Rain's coming down. Oh!
Yeah.
All right.
So that's it, you guys. 180 hand plant. They're real fun. Hope you guys found this video useful, helpful, and fun. If you did, hit the like button. If you'd like to hear more requests, if you guys want to see other videos, let us know down below in the comments. Check out our store. We also have t-shirts, all kinds of memorabilia as well, merchandise too. So happy skating out there. See you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.